Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by grabbing the assets you will change. Make a backup immediately so you can revert. Next, open the Ultrakill data folder and find the texture directories. Those hold. DDS files you'll edit. Install a DDS-capable editor if you haven't, and open the file to confirm format and bitmaps. Once done, note naming and folder structure. Game engines rely on exact paths. You will need to keep the same resolution and compression settings to avoid errors when re-importing. Now you edit with care. Open the DDS, preserve bitmaps and any alpha channel because the engine uses them for transparency and lighting. You should match original resolution and color profile to prevent color shifts and texture bleeding. Make visual changes, color swaps, detail overlays, or normal map tweaks, but keep file names identical and avoid changing folder placement. Once satisfied, recompress to the same DDS format and compression. This prevents loading errors and keeps performance consistent. Finally, close the game and copy your edited DDS files back into the original folders, overwriting the originals. Keep backups elsewhere. Launch Ultrakill and check the changed assets in-game. If nothing appears, clear any shader or cache folder the game uses, then restart. If textures break or crash, revert to backups and reintroduce edits one file at a time to isolate the problem. One key tip: mismatched compression or missing bitmaps is the most common culprit. Always verify those settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.